I've been conservation grazing for around 20 years now, and I've been conservation grazing for the National Trust in Llanerchaeron for the last 3 years. I think it's going back to older farming methods, isn't it? By keeping less livestock. You know, you're working with nature, so you haven't got to top your fields or plough your fields. You know, you're leaving it go back to what it was, the old grasses to come through, you know, and get the traditional hay meadows back.
Mae'n anhygoel I meddwl ar hanes o'r ceffylau yn gweithio yn Llanerchaeron.
Mae darlunio yw proses rwy'n defnyddio I ddarganfod fy syniadau. Ac wedyn, pan oeddwn ni'n dechrau darlunio, cefais I llawer o syniadau am gwneud waith newydd.
They look more like meadows, really, than grazed fields. So to some people you look at it and think there's nothing in that field, but there actually is livestock in there. We just keep them under low stocking rates, and it just allows the flowers, it allows the mammals and the invertebrates to flourish and work with you.
Wedi bod yn mwynhau yn darlunio y tack yn yr ystafell tack. Rwy'n hoff iawn o'r awenau a'r sadlau. Yn enwedig y siapiau o'r sadl, rwy'n credu mae'n hardd iawn I darlunio. Rwy'n meddwl llawer am pwy sy'n wedi bod yma yn ystafell tack yn defnyddio'r pethau yma. Ac hefyd rwy'n meddwl am y ceffyl a pa mor hardd ydyn nhw.
Ponies and livestock cattle can work well together. So you would have a short area grazed with the ponies, which allows flowers to come through in certain areas. And then you've got the cattle then, which graze another area. So you've got the different heights and grasses, which works quite good for conservation. You want to keep a small, low cost, low input animal so that they don't damage the ground. So by keeping a smaller native breed cattle, they fatten naturally on grass. And then we just rotationally graze every 2 to 3 weeks. So yeah, it works quite well. So the cattle are working quite well with nature, and they all seem very contented. What I've noticed is a big increase in birds, voles, insects. The population of owls is increasing. Bird boxes, owl boxes that have been left and empty for years, they are now filled. So by planting the hedges, putting thick, wide hedges in, you're seeing, the little songbirds come back. Just by doing the little things, you can benefit nature really in a huge way.
Fi o hyd am edrych am straeon rhwng y gorffennol a presennol. Ac yn aml, mae artistiaid yn cael safbwyntiau newydd a maen nhw'n dehongli mewn wahanol math o deunydd. Rwyf wedi gwneud 2 ddarn o gelf eleni a gafodd ei hysbrydoli gan hanes Llanerchaeron.
Every business at the end of the day has to be profitable. So we're trying to prove that you can obviously work with nature and be profitable at the same time. It makes my life a bit easier and more enjoyable, being able to go around and see nature working with the farming. And showing that obviously you can farm sustainably but working with nature, so the two can work together. The rewards then are good for the farmer and also good for nature and the environment.